Saudi Arabia is set to host the Future Investment Initiative, or FII, next week. This event will bring together leading figures in finance and technology, even as geopolitical tensions in the region rise, particularly between Israel and Iran. Despite these challenges, prominent international executives, including Goldman Sachs' David Solomon and Citigroup's Jane Fraser, are participating. This indicates a continued interest in Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's Vision 2030 initiative, which aims to transform the kingdom's economy. The FII, often referred to as Davos in the desert, will feature influential speakers from the tech sector, including Alphabet's Ruth Porat and TikTok's Shou Chew. This year's summit is expected to see announcements of deals worth over $28 billion, highlighting Saudi Arabia's commitment to investing in technology and artificial intelligence. The backdrop of regional instability, however, poses risks for foreign investment. According to Gregory Gauss, a professor of international affairs, the ongoing conflicts in the area discourage capital investment, except in sectors like defense. This sentiment is reflected in the recent decline in the number of emerging market funds with exposure to Saudi Arabia, as the kingdom is seen as a significant underweight in investment portfolios. Despite these concerns, Saudi Arabia is pushing ahead with its ambitious development plans, even as it faces financial constraints. The government projects deficits through at least 2027, leading to delays in some initiatives. The Public Investment Fund, the kingdom's sovereign wealth fund, is also becoming less accessible to foreign firms as it shifts focus towards domestic projects like the $1.5 trillion Neom City. The FII serves as a platform for investment in Saudi Arabia, but has also become a venue for foreign executives to seek financing. The event has attracted about 7,000 registered attendees, surpassing last year's numbers. In summary, the upcoming FII reflects a complex landscape where Saudi Arabia continues to attract international investment despite geopolitical challenges and financial constraints, as it strives to realize its Vision 2030 ambitions.